The Centre Block, home to Canada's Parliament, continues to inspire. Yet, after 100 years of continuous use, the building is showing its age. Major building systems are at critical risk of failure and were not conceived to handle modern building codes or standards, including accessibility, sustainability, or even earthquakes. The need for updated technology and security to support modern parliamentary functions is critical. The building needs more than just ongoing care. It needs a complete rehabilitation, inside and out, top to bottom, to preserve and restore this heritage masterpiece, and to allow the symbol of Canadian democracy to shine well into the next century. The beloved front lawn, an historic gathering place for Canadians, will be fully restored. Enclosed behind the restored artwork and heritage walls will be all new building systems, heating and cooling, fresh air ventilation, fire protection, electrical wiring, and a high-tech digital infrastructure. The integrity of the structure will be returned, 20,000 pieces of priceless art and artifacts restored, and valued architectural approaches to light and symmetry reinstated. The new Centre Block will be a model of universal accessibility, making the heart of our democracy truly welcoming to all. It will provide a healthy work environment and be energy efficient and carbon neutral, a powerful statement of Canada's commitment to a sustainable future.